And welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you how to use the diagnostic tool TEXA on the Pre-LP Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's go. So here we have everything pretty much laid out. This is for the GFA, located passenger side footwell. I'll show you how to get to it. This is for the OBD port underneath the driver's side dashboard. Here's the TEXA computer, and the program is right here. Click on this icon right here, get us logged in, and then for now I'm going to use this scanner on the OBD port under the driver's side dashboard to look at airbag or transmission parameters. I'm also going to show you how to measure your clutch and see how much clutch life is left. Hopping in the car real quick. Down here, you should be familiar with this location. You have your OBD port for any kind of scan tool. Let me try to plug this in real quick. And there we go. Just like that. And then once you do so, you want to give it some power. If I turn the key over just one time. Back on the computer system, this is what it looks like as soon as you clicked on that program. We're going to go into car, and then we're going to go straight to Supercar, obviously because it's a Lamborghini. You can see there's plenty of different manufacturers in here. So let's go to Lamborghini. I clicked a little too fast. Alright, so it offers you Aventador, Diablo, Gallardo, Huracan, Murcielago, and Urus. Okay, obviously we're looking at the Gallardo. So this Gallardo is an 07 Spider. So you click on that because it's a Spider 06 to 08. So here we can reset airbag lights. We can check everything on the airbag system by clicking start here, or we can go to the transmission. Let's take a look and see what clutch life is on here. Hit start on that. I am speeding this up so you don't have to watch all the loading screens. We got some old faults in here, but if you take a look at parameters, click on that. Let's see, we have a clutch pressure plate stroke at 21.7 millimeters. Let me go down, see what else we got for distance on millimeters. Takes a little second for the parameters to load their data and display it for you. Auto calibrate close position, clutch close position at 21.7. All right, piss slip beginning point. Just you can change the calibration on that through this system. And I'm looking for one more number. Clutch position closed as new, 16.5 millimeters. All right, so we got 21.7 and 16.5 auto calibrate closed clutch position, and the clutch position closed as when new, 16.5. Let me go. Let's go to the table and do some math. All right, there's a couple steps we're gonna do here. We got 21.7. And we have, was it 16? Oh, I forgot. Now I gotta look again. So my missing number is 5 millimeters. We want to know the distance, the difference between these two, okay? So that's gonna come out to 5.2. So the known allowable wear-away thickness is 5.6 millimeters. So seeing this one's 5.2 out the gate, I can tell you this clutch is almost dead. So you do 5.2. The difference, our difference number, divided by the known thickness allowable tolerance. That's going to equal 0.92, right? And then you turn that to percent. That's 92%. 92% worn. So that means this clutch theoretically has 8% life left. All right, moving along. So we're gonna go to the faults, right? You can click on them, take a little gander. No connection. I have no web. All right, so starter relay command. This is the code that is currently displaying. Auto supply. Another code. Roger. Understood. And you can hit this little eraser button down here to clear the codes. Yes, confirm I want to clear them. Yep. And then whenever you clear the code, you can go back and see, you can see it turn green now. You can go back and check again to see if they're still existing. So I'll go back like this. Here on this main page, once we got into the whole model and year of the Gallardo that we're looking into, this Tango Golf Sierra 3 Sierra, that is your overall scan, and you can see it's asking you if you're using the OBD2 port under the dash or the GFA over in the passenger footwell. We're obviously on the under the dash. There's even a photo to tell you, like, hey, make sure you're in the right spot. There's a video to help you find it if this video doesn't suffice, but I'm sure. All right, so it's telling you to keep the key on, or put it in the on position. And this is where it kind of takes a while. This one's going really fast. Nope. Okay, this is the nice long loading screen. All right, so the airbag and the transmission all checked out well. And if there's any other codes, you can clear them like this. It's gonna do a whole nother scan. Once it goes through the scan after clearing codes, I'll tell you to turn the power off, turn back on, and then you can do the scan again. Loading. All right, once all that is done, you can exit back out, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the OBD plug and hook it up to the GFA. So inside here, you have this plug, this GFA plug that you want to plug into. All right, it's capped, so you have to remove this cap by this trigger right here, and then pop it straight out. As you can see, I put the scanner on the harness adapter, and now I'm gonna plug this in, connect these two just like this. Make sure that clicks. Obviously we're getting power. It's good. Put the power back in the ignition. Just click it over like that. Okay, now that we're plugged back in, we can do our scan once again. We gotta tell it that it's in the GFA over on the passenger footwell. Again, photo reference and video, as if you're not gonna use this video. You gotta click on these and kind of click through everything, hit the the forward arrow button, and just proceed through. To give it some time to load through and read the data. Let that load. Hey, while this is loading, I want to point out that this little red dot right here, that means there's going to be codes. So whenever you clear all the codes after you've diagnosed and read them all and documented them all, that's going to be green. Okay. And I'm gonna hit this little search bar or search block right here down at the bottom. Let that load. As you can see, it does take a little bit of time. And make sure it's gonna ask for power. It wants to make sure the dashboard's on. So this one has some faults. Exhaust pressure valve, that's your butterflies in the exhaust. Secondary injection system, exhaust pressure control solenoid, exhaust pressure control solenoid. All right, big one, big two. All right, so there's some faults. I'll go check the vacuum lines on that, and in the meantime, you can see that the code's reference. I'm gonna clear these out just by hitting this eraser guy down here, just like that, just like before. Confirm all through, all green now, good to go. I'm gonna run this, do another inspection, and just to make sure they're all cleared out, and then I'm gonna test drive the car. I do want to note that the parameters right here, you can run this while the car is on, and you can see a lot of live data, and you can check on your O2 sensors. You check for misfires. Like, there's a lot of over 100, looks like 160 sensors you can check into while this car is running, and you have the system hooked up. Great diagnostic tool right here. When you can do your clutch at home, if you do a clutch replacement, you can bleed the clutch system with this TEXA system. This thing's super sweet. It's super friendly to use. You can rent it from George. I'll drop his email down below right here. I don't think the clutch is going to last on this car much longer because, yeah, it's going to make a different exhaust note than your average Gallardo, but that's a good thing. It's all good things. It's all good sounds. Let me see if I can drop a quick video of what it will sound like right here. More to come on that. Viewers, I can't thank you enough for watching my channel and staying up to date with this these projects and everything I have going on. If there's anything specific you would like me to record or make a video on something specific, please send me a message, reach out to me. I'll gladly make a video for you, help explain something for you. Otherwise, keep an eye out on this channel because we have some interviews coming up to tell some unique car stories or car experiences, and I can't wait to share that with y'all. Stay tuned for that, and then hopefully you follow along in the next video. I'll see you later.